Grignard reagents. Compounds having carbon and metal bonding. Compounds having carbon and metal bonding are called organometallic reagent. Carbon and magnesium. Carbon plus magnesium to gives carbon magnesium. Here electronegativity of carbon is 2.5 and magnesium is 1.2. So here electronegativity difference is more. Carbon bonding with magnesium, this carbon getting partially negative charge and magnesium getting partially positive charge. When this compound treated with ether solvent, what happens here? The formation is carbon negative charge and magnesium positive charge, and this is fast in releasing, and this is also called hard nucleophile. And this is highly reactive. And here what happens here? Electronegativity difference is more. So this is acts as a polar compound. Polarity is more. So it is also called more polar compounds. And Grignard reagent acts as base and nucleophile. It acts as base and nucleophile based on the nature of other substance. Grignard reagent act as base. For example, here RMgX, it is react with ROH. What happens? We know that R contains partially negative charge RMgX, partially positive charge, and this attracts proton. Then the formation of compound is RH alkane, and remaining are OMgX. This is Grignard reagent act as base. Here it is react also RMgX water D2O NH3 or NH2 acid and AROH phenol. Then the formation of compounds alkane. When Grignard reagent acts as base, the formation of compound is alkane. Here what happens? They develops new CH bonding. If Grignard reagent act as nucleophile. Grignard reagent attacks at different nucleophilic carbons, then develops new CC bonding. For example, here R MgX, it reacts R C dash C double bond O H aldehyde. It is Grignard reagent reacts with aldehyde in the presence of ether. Then the formation of compound, we know that here negative charge attacks at this carbon, then the formation of compound is R C O minus MgX, here attacking R and remaining H. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis. The formation of compound is alcohol. And this reaction is also called nucleophilic addition reaction. Reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions. Or MgX Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde. In the presence of ether solvent. The formation of compound is HC, here R, H, O, MgX. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then the formation of compound is HC or H OH plus byproduct is MgX OH. Listen carefully. Here R is partially negative charge. It is partially positive charge. Here also this carbon contains partially positive charge and partially negative charge. When Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde or carbonyl compounds, what happens? This negative carbon is called hard nucleophile. Hard nucleophile. And this positive carbon is called hard electrophile. Hard electrophile. This carbon hard nucleophile attacks a hard nucleophile. Then the formation of compound is addition product. This is called addition product, or this is called salt of alcohol. Addition product or salt of alcohol. And this is unstable product. This is unstable product. Here what happens here? Oxygen negative charge and magnesium positive charge. Then after that, addition product undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. Then the formation of compound is alcohol, and this is called gelatinous substance. This is preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compounds or from Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compounds in the presence of ether, the formation of compound is addition product. This addition product is unstable compound. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis to form alcohol and gelatinous substance. This is example of preparation of alcohol. And one more example here, Grignard reagent CH3 magnesium chloride, methyl magnesium chloride. It is react with CH3C double bond O here H. This is acetaldehyde. Undergoes, it is react with Grignard reagent react with acetaldehyde in the presence of ether. The formation of addition product, that is CH3 CH3 here OMGX or Cl. This is minus and positive charge, and this is remaining hydrogen. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then the formation of compound is CH3 C CH3 H here OH plus MgCl here OH. Here when Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, the formation of compound is primary alcohol. When acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, the formation of compound is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. And next reaction, CH3 MgCl react with ketone. React with ketone. Then in the presence of ether, the formation of compound is addition product. This is CH3 OMGX Cl. It is CH3. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. then the formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. The formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol. And next reaction, Grignard reagent react with acid chloride. Acid chloride in the presence of ether. Then what happens here? It is attacks at this carbon. Then the formation of compound is addition product. Yes, CH3 C or here OMgX Cl. This is unstable compound, highly unstable compound. Due to this compound contains two electronegative atoms. Immediately what happens here? This Cl is eliminated when it is goes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. Then what happens here? CH3 C here R and here double bond O. This is ketone. Here Grignard reagent react with acid chloride in the presence of ether to form addition product. This product is highly unstable. What happens here? Immediately chlorine is eliminated. Then the formation of compound is ketone. This ketone again react with RMgX. Here this acid chloride react with one equivalent of RMgX and it converts into ketone. This ketone also is react with 1 mole of 1 equivalent of RMgX. Then what happens here? CH3 C here minus it is attacks. Then what happens here? R here also R MgX. It is undergoes acid hydrolysis. The formation of compound is CH3C OH R. It is tertiary alcohol and the byproduct is MgX here OH here MgX Cl. This is Grignard reagent react with acid chloride. Here listen carefully. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones react with one equivalent of RMgX. It gives alcohol. But in above reaction, acid chloride, not only acid chloride, here carboxylic acid, acid halide, acid amide, and anhydride. These carbonyl compounds react with one equivalent of RMgX to form carbonyl compounds. That is ketone. That is ketone. And if it is react with two equivalents of RMgX, what happens here? The formation of compounds are alcohols. Here also this ketone again react with one equivalent of RMgX. The formation of compound is alcohols. This is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent opens epoxides also. For example here, epoxide, it is react with phenyl magnesium chloride. What happens here? It is attacks this position. Then the formation of compound in the presence of ether, the formation of compound is here OH and this is pH. And the byproduct is magnesium chlorohydroxide. And for example, another example is this is epoxide and this carbon contains CH3 plus pH magnesium halide. So what happens here? This carbon contains alkyl group. Here Grignard reagent attacks at less crowded position, that is this carbon. Then what happens here? The formation of compound is, here solvent is ether and addition product undergoes acid hydrolysis. Finally the product is CH3 OH and here phenyl. Here this compound undergoes dehydration. What happens here? Hydrogen, water is eliminated, then the formation of compound is this is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. Preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. From carbonyl compounds. Here, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and acid derivatives, and reduction to give alcohols. The number of reduction reagents like ZnHCl, lithium aluminium tetrahydride, sodium borohydride, H2 nickel or H2 platinum or H2 palladium. This is catalytic hydrogenation, and sodium C2H5OH, B2H6, THF. These all are reduction reagents. Here, for example, carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are CWOH. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminium tetrahydride or B2H6 THF or H2 nickel, so on. What happens here? Reduction takes place. Then what happens here? R COH H. Here H. This is what happens? Reduction of carbonyl compounds to give alcohol. And for example, CH3 C double bond OH plus H2 undergoes reduction. The formation of compound is CH3 CH2OH. Acetaldehyde to converts ethanol. Here ketone, for example, here CH3 C double bond O CH3, it is also undergoes reduction in the presence of above reagents. The formation of compound is CH3OH CH3, here H, secondary alcohol. Next reaction, CH3 C double bond O OH carboxylic acid undergoes reduction. The formation of compound is CH3 CH2OH. Carboxylic acid converts into alcohol. Here, what happens here? Acetic acid gives to ethanol or primary alcohol. Another example here, C double bond OH. It is also undergoes reduction. The formation of compound is CH2OH. What happens here? Acid converts into alcohol. In this method, tertiary alcohols cannot be obtained. One more example, esters CH3C double bond O OCH ethyl acetate undergoes reduction in the presence of H2 nickel, lithium aluminium tetrahydride, sodium C2H5OH or sodium borohydride. To form CH3 CH2OH plus C2H5OH. Here two alcohols form. One is ethyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of when ethyl acetate is undergoes reduction to form 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. This is primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Sodium in the presence of ethanol. To form ethyl alcohols, this reaction, particularly this reaction is called Boulton reduction. CH3 C double bond O Cl. It is converts into CH3 CH2 OH plus HCl. And here in this reaction the reagents are lithium aluminium tetrahydride, sodium borohydride and diboron in the presence of THF are catalytic dehydrogenation reagents, so that is H2 nickel or platinum or palladium. This is reduction of acid chloride in the presence of this reduction reagents. Here epoxides also reduce to alcohol. Here lithium aluminium tetrahydride reducing agent. Reaction of hydrogen also attacks at this carbon because of this less crowded carbon atom or less alkylated carbon atom. Then the formation of compound is CH3 here OH. This is secondary alcohol. In this preparation we are mainly discussing the reagents of lithium aluminium tetrahydride and sodium borohydride and H2 in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. For example, here CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond H. This is undergoes reduction This is undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydride. Then what happens here? In this reaction, only these two reagents are reduced only carbonyl carbon, not double bond or triple bond. Then what happens here? The compound is CH3 CCH double bond CH CH2 OH. This compound reduced in the presence of H2 nickel. Then what happens here? This reagent reduced this two double bond or triple bond and carbonyl compound. Then the formation of compound is CH3 CH2 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 OH. CH triple bond C double bond H. What happens here? Here also the reagents like lithium aluminum tetrahydride and sodium borohydride, these are reduced only carbonyl carbon. Then it is the formation of compound is CH2OH, and it is reduced in the presence of H2 nickel. Then the formation of compound is CH3 CH2 CH2OH. If another example, if compound containing phenyl group contains alpha beta unsaturation, then what happens here? Lithium aluminum tetrahydride and H2 in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium. These two reagents reduced these two groups. Because of what happens here? Alpha beta unsaturation. Phenyl alpha beta unsaturation. Here phenyl group is present beta position, alpha beta position to carbonyl compound. So these two groups are reduced. What happens here? Phenyl CH2OH. But sodium borohydride, it is reduced only carbonyl compound. This is very most important thing. What is lithium aluminum tetrahydride and H2 in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. These two reagents are reduced carbonyl compound and unsaturation. Because of here phenyl group is present beta position of carbonyl compound. But here sodium borohydride only reduced carbonyl compound. Due to lithium aluminum tetrahydride is strong reducing agent and sodium borohydride is weak reducing agent. Then the formation of compound is CH double bond CH, here CH2OH. This is preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds.